Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive, and today we're going to take a look at a 2010 Dodge Challenger. As you can see, this is a gorgeous looking vehicle. We're going to walk all the way around the exterior and show you the interior features as well, just to make sure that you can see the whole vehicle. You do have alloy wheels here wrapped with Goodyear tires. Inside, a combination of leather and cloth interior makes for a comfortable ride. One more look down the passenger side before we swing around to the back end. On the back you have dual point exhaust and a spoiler, adding a very sporty feel to the back, as if this vehicle needed any more help to be sporty. Taking a look in the trunk here, Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Taking a look inside at the features, you have your power locks, windows, and mirrors right here on the door. Now we're going to swing inside here where you have your audio as well as Bluetooth and cruise controls mounted here. Full touchscreen, that includes your stereo. It is a Kenwood stereo. Climate controls and dual heated seats here as well. Just going to make sure that we can kind of focus here for you just to show you the climate controls that you have here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure, whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Challenger on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.